Okay, real talk. My first week in Germany, I got so lost in Cologne that I walked in a giant circle for 40 minutes. I passed the same bakery 3 times. The baker started waving at me.
Oh, nine, Max. The baker recognized you before the city did. That is tragic.
It gets worse. I was too scared to ask anyone because I didn't know how, so I just kept walking and hoping the train station would magically appear.
And here's the secret nobody tells you. You do not need to understand every word a German says back to you. You only need a few solid phrases to ask and a handful of direction words to catch the answer.
Wait, so I don't have to understand the whole answer? I just need to catch the important bits?
Genau. Catch left, right, straight ahead, and a landmark. That's 90% of it. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to stop someone politely, ask the way, understand the answer, and even say when you're completely lost.
Okay, that baker's never seeing me confused again. Let's do this.
Los geht's. Here we go. First rule, you never just walk up and start firing questions. You open with one magic word, Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung. That's a mouthful. What does it mean?
It means excuse me or sorry. It's your door opener. Say it before everything else and Germans will instantly want to help you.
Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. Okay, if I can say this, I can say anything.
Sehr gut. That means very good. And if it's too long for you in a panic, there's a shortcut. Just say Entschuldigen Sie.
Entschuldigen Sie. Slightly shorter, still very polite. I like having a backup.
And then you add your reason. A super common opener is Können Sie mir helfen?
Können Sie mir helfen? Let me guess. Can you help me?
Perfect. Können Sie mir helfen means can you help me? So the full polite opener is Entschuldigung, können Sie mir helfen?
Entschuldigung, können Sie mir helfen? Excuse me, can you help me? That already sounds like a real human, not a lost tourist.
Zusammenfassung. That means summary. Entschuldigung is excuse me. Entschuldigen Sie is the shorter version. And können Sie mir helfen means can you help me?
Got it. Polite first, panic never. What's next?
Now, the 4 words that save your life. Direction words. The first one, links.
Links, like a golf course?
Haha, 9. Links means left, and the opposite is rechts, which means right.
Links is left, rechts is right. Okay, but how do I remember which is which? They both sound kind of similar.
Easy trick. Rechts and right both start with the R sound. So rechts is right, and links is the other one, left.
Rechts equals right, both with R. That actually clicks. Links is left. Done.
Now, the most important one for tourists, geradeaus.
Geradeaus. That's a big word for a simple idea, I bet.
It means straight ahead. When a German points down the street and says geradeaus, they're saying just keep going straight.
Geradeaus. Straight ahead. Honestly, this is the word I needed the most in Cologne.
And the action word that goes with left and right, abbiegen. It means to turn. So links abbiegen is turn left, and rechts abbiegen is turn right.
Links abbiegen, turn left. Rechts abbiegen, turn right. So if someone says an der Ampel rechts abbiegen, they mean turn right at the traffic light.
Wow, sehr good, Max. Die Ampel is the traffic light. So an der Ampel rechts abbiegen means turn right at the traffic light. You were catching the landmarks already.
The baker would be shocked right now.
Zusammenfassung. Links is left, rechts is right, geradeaus is straight ahead, and abbiegen means to turn. 4 words, half the battle won.
4 magic words. Left, right, straight, turn. I feel powerful. Give me the actual question now.
This is the heart of the episode, the one question to rule them all. Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof?
Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof? Okay, break this down because this is the sentence I came here for.
Wie komme ich means how do I get? Zum Bahnhof means to the train station. So together, how do I get to the train station?
Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof? How do I get to the train station? If only I had known this on day 1.
And here's the beauty. You just swap the last word for any place. Wie komme ich zum Flughafen is how do I get to the airport?
Wie komme ich zum Flughafen? To the airport. So it is like a template I just plug into place.
Exactly. But careful, there's a small trap. Sometimes it's zum and sometimes it's zur. Zum Bahnhof, but zur Apotheke, to the pharmacy.
Wait, zum and zur? Why two versions? My brain just tripped.
Don't not stress about it. It depends on the gender of the word. Masculine and neuter take zum, feminine takes zur. But honestly, if you mix it up, every German still understands you perfectly.
Oh, thank God. So I can be a little wrong and still get there. That takes the pressure off.
And if you don't know the article at all, there's a cheat. Use wo ist, which means where is. Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where's the train station?
Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? Shorter, lazier, still works. I love it.
Zusammenfassung. Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof is how do I get to the train station? Swap the last word for any place. And wo ist der Bahnhof is the easy where is backup.
2 questions, infinite destinations. I'm basically a navigation app now.
Now, once you ask, you often want to know how far it is. So you ask, ist es weit?
Ist es weit? Short and sweet. What does it mean?
It means, is it far? 3 little words, super useful, because the answer changes whether you walk or take the bus.
Ist es weit? Is it far? Okay, and what if I'm hoping it's close? Is there a word for close?
Yeah, the phrase you want is in der Nähe, which means nearby or close by. So someone might say, es ist hier in der Nähe. It's nearby.
Es ist hier in der Nähe. It's nearby. So the Nähe is like the nearness.
Exactly. Die Nähe is the closeness or vicinity. And if it's walkable, a German might say zu Fuß, which means on foot. 5 Minuten zu Fuß. 5 minutes on foot.
5 Minuten zu Fuß. 5 minutes on foot. So Fuß is foot, like 2 feet on foot. Got it.
And one more useful answer word, die Ecke, the corner. Es ist die Ecke means it's around the corner. Very common.
Es ist die Ecke. It's around the corner. Those are the 4 happiest words a lost person can hear.
Zusammenfassung. Ist es weit is it far? In der Nähe is nearby. Zu Fuß is on foot, and die Ecke is around the corner.
Distance handled. Now, what if walking is too much and I want to take a bus or a train?
Then you need this one. Wo ist die nächste Haltestelle?
Wo ist die nächste Haltestelle? That's a long one. Walk me through it.
Wo ist is where is. Die nächste means the nearest, and die Haltestelle is the stop, like a bus or tram stop. So where is the nearest stop?
Wo ist die nächste Haltestelle? Where is the nearest stop? And nächste also sounded like next.
Genau, clever. Nächste means both nearest and next, depending on context. Here it is the nearest one. And if you want the subway, ask for die U-Bahn.
Die U-Bahn, the subway. And let me guess, there's a bunch of these Bahn words.
Yeah, die U-Bahn is the underground, die S-Bahn is the city train, and die Straßenbahn is the tram. But for tourists, just knowing die Haltestelle for the stop gets you very far.
Die Haltestelle for the stop. I will leave the Bahn alphabet soup for advanced Max. Now, the real reason I am here. What do I say when I am hopelessly lost?
This is the magic confession sentence. Ich habe mich verlaufen.
Ich habe mich verlaufen. Oh, I'm going to need this one tattooed on me. What does it mean?
It means I'm lost, or more literally, I have walked myself astray. Sich verlaufen is to get lost on foot. Say it and any German will stop and help you.
Ich habe mich verlaufen. I'm lost. Cologne Max needed this so badly, the bakery would never have happened.
And here's a cultural tip. Germans love precise directions. They will often give you street names and exact numbers of streets to cross. Do not panic. Just listen for the direction words.
So even if they give me a whole essay, I just fish out links, rechts, geradeaus, and a landmark.
Exactly right. And if it goes too fast, you say langsamer bitte, which means slower please. They will happily slow down.
Langsamer bitte. Slower please. That might be the most powerful phrase of the whole episode for me.
And one last polite gem. After they help you, you say, Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe, which means thank you very much for your help. Germans love that.
Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe. thank you for your help, and on gratitude. I can do that.
Zusammenfassung. Wo ist die nächste Haltestelle is where is the nearest stop. Ich habe mich verlaufen is I'm lost. Langsamer bitte is slower please. And vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe is thank you very much for your help.
I went from circling a bakery to being a polite navigation machine. Let's test me.
Speed round, Max. Are you ready?
Ready. Point me anywhere.
Number 1. How do you say, how do I get to the train station?
Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof?
Sehr gut. Number 2. How do you say, turn left at the traffic light?
An der Ampel links abbiegen. Links because left, not the R one.
Perfect. Number 3. How do you say, I'm lost?
Ich habe mich verlaufen. The Cologne special.
Exactly. Number 4. How do you ask, is it far?
Ist es weit? 3 words, big payoff.
And last one. How do you say, excuse me, can you help me?
Entschuldigung, können Sie mir helfen? I nailed the long word.
Bravo, Max. You went from circling a tourist to someone who can actually find their way. The baker would be proud.
So, today I learned Entschuldigung to get attention, links and rechts and geradeaus for directions, wie komme ich zum Bahnhof to ask the way, ist es weit for distance, and ich habe mich verlaufen when I'm lost.
And here's the trick that makes it stick. Don't memorize all of them at once. Pick the question, wie komme ich zu, and just practice swapping the place. That one phrase will carry you across all of Germany.
One phrase, infinite cities. Even just whispering wie komme ich zum Supermarkt on the way to shopping counts as practice.
Exactly. And to you watching, tell us in the comments, what is the most lost you've ever been in a foreign country? We want to hear the story.
Mine was Cologne, obviously. And honestly, a warm, slightly wrong question beats standing there silent and confused every single time.
So true. Just ask. Germans really do want to help you find your way.
And next time, we're tackling something everyone needs eventually. Anna's teaching us how to survive at the doctor and the pharmacy in German when you are not feeling so great.
Because feeling sick in another language is scary, and a few key phrases make it so much easier. You'll want this one.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Tschüss!